Hi, welcome to our project. I am Cosette and this is Irene. We are the owners of the Fizzy Straw drink truck and we are a very small company. We only have this one food truck. We don't have any physical buildings and we do not have any other employees either. We are the owners and the employees of this truck, and so we basically go around and participate in just whatever, like fairs or company parties, things like that. So I'm going to turn the time over to Irene, and she will explain our transactions.
All right, good morning. So our first invoice payment received was from Bountiful High School. They paid us in cash, in which that went into checking, and we were able to receive that payment and put it through into our account. And then our second company is Cummings Cabinets, and they too, when they paid us, it came through they paid us by a credit card, which also was deposited directly into our checking. And we were able to process that payment and finalize that invoice. And then Rocky Mountain Trucking, you can see as we get to that invoice, we received from Rocky Mountain, it came in the form of a check in the payment method right there, also into our checking account. And we were able to satisfy that payment on that as well. And then for our vendors, when we received an invoice from them and we paid them, we went to Capillary Incorporated first. So we paid Capillary, and right next to you can see we took it from our checking account, and that processed through, and we were able to clear that payment from our invoices and that we had to pay right there. And then Moblix Gasoline, we had to pay them, and we chose at that point you can see that we used our Bonanza credit card, and we settled that payment and processed that invoice for the $155 right there. And finally, Pepsi Company. This was a smaller purchase for us, so we made the decision to use cash on hand and paid them. And then that satisfied the bill for that product that we had to get there. And then I'll send it back to Cosette, who will explain our reports.
If I'm going to talk about our custom reports now, the first report we have is our profit and loss. The profit and loss report essentially shows the company's income as well as the company's expenses. And so basically this report summarizes how much it costs to generate the income that the company makes. So for Fizzy Straw, we made, as of July 16th, $1,433.50 gross profit, and it cost us $975 to earn that profit, which makes our net income $458.50. Our next custom report is our balance sheet, and the balance sheet lists the company's assets, the company's liabilities, and also the owner's equity. So the assets are listed first, and these are things that a company owns, such as if they own any land, or if they own any buildings, or if they own any, their inventory is also considered an asset. Their cash on hand is considered an asset. And then their liabilities are things like, the loans. So in our case, we have a loan on our truck, and then, the amount that we pay for our products and things like that. And so in our case here, essentially, we have $673.50 of total assets, and then it balances out down here at $673.50 also. And then our last custom report is our statement of cash flows. And this tells a company what cash they have on hand in order to pay their bills or their employees, etc. So, and it comes from the statement of cash flows is derived from 3 different types of activities. We have our operating activities, our financing activities, and our investing activities. And so the cash at the end of the period for the Fizzy Straw is $405.50. We hope you all enjoyed our presentation. Thanks for watching.